Okay, you guys see these raggedy nails? Let's get into it. I gotta give you a disclaimer. These few clips is gonna move by fast, okay? These are all the products that I use. I'm going to have everything linked down below. The last glitter is from a polygel kit, so just improvise with what you got, okay? So I'm going to be moving fast. So here we go. Let's push back our cuticles. You can get a cuticle pusher from Amazon. You can use the back of the file. You can really use anything that you got in your house. Let's be like creative, improvise, whatever. The cuticle bit, make sure you don't dig into your nail or like your nail bit, whatever. You just don't want to cause damage, okay? Just be light. Just go around the surface to get the cuticle up. I took the sanding band. You don't have to. You can use a file. You can use whatever you can just to take away the shine and the oils off of the surface so your nails can actually stick. And yeah, just make sure you're light because you don't want to cause damage to your nails. This is what my nails look like after everything was prepped. And now we're going to get into the tips. Make sure it measures from sidewall to sidewall. And what I do is I always turn my hand around the other side to make sure that the tips is on nice and straight. And it was. So this is what the nails look like after I put my tips on. And so let's shape these bad boys up. Now you want to make sure your file is like straight up and down. Like you don't want to tilt it or anything like that. And then have it go up and down on the tip so it can be straight. And that's what it looked like afterwards. This is my dehydrator and my protein bomb from Young Nails. I love it. I love it. I love it. And it's the Mia Secret dehydrator. Nothing too special about that. Now, when it comes down to a primer, for me on my hand, I do like all 5 fingers. But with the client, I would do finger by finger. Like I'll do one finger, finish that finger, do it the next finger, like do a design. Then you know what I'm saying. Hopefully you know what I'm saying. I think so. So you guys, I just want to say thank you to everyone who has entered into the giveaway. You guys were so sweet. Thank you, thank you, thank you. By the way, that brush I got from Amazon. So let's get into the design. But just thank you guys. I really do appreciate everything. You guys gave me some good suggestions. Things is coming, I promise. Thank you so much. Now, let's get into this, okay? So listen. I want y'all to know, when y'all do this acrylic, have faith. Now, it's going to look a little janky or whatever the case may be. Any design you do, like, it may look crazy in the beginning because this is what this nail, I purposely kept this nail in here because I actually, when I was doing it, hated it. And I was like, oh my gosh. But I was like, no, you got to have faith. You just got to see it all the way through. Even if you apply it and it's lumpy and bumpy, girl, you still got filing. So you can file some of the lumps and bumps out of it. Whatever the case may be, just keep going. Don't stop, just keep going. And that's what I basically wanted you to know with this now. It's just to keep going. Just in the words of Dory, just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Just keep going. Just keep going. I mean, I did a lot on this nail to try to like bring it back to life. And you may actually have to do that sometimes, but just keep swimming. Just keep swimming. Okay, so now we're going to go to the next nail. And I learned basically to don't put a lot on it. Oh, and also, I didn't show you, but put clear down on your natural nails so that the colors won't stain. I didn't do that on my pinky, but I stopped and put some clear down so that, yeah. And I also want you to know that this design, like with all the colors, is strictly just for the design. Is not for the strength because we're going to encapsulate it or basically put clear over it to build the structure of the nail. But we just want this right now to just be cute and pretty, right? Yes. Okay. And so off camera, well, it's not kind of off camera, it's like kind of catty corner. I just get a regular brush and keep dipping it in glitter between the glitter from, what's that place called? From Walmart, and the glitter from the polygel kit is the glitters that I bounce back and forth from. I'm back, guys. I don't know about y'all, but I just love when acrylic is being laid. It's very therapeutic in a weird way. I don't know. Are you like that? I don't know. But right now we're just encapsulating, basically building the strength of the nail, because you just didn't want this design is not a design you want to build up the strength and do the design with. But that's also the goal, the same, like if you want to do a glass nail, we just have clear tip and put clear acrylic over top of it. So that's basically what the nails look like when I got done applying the clear. And before I take my e-file, I like to shape up the nails first. And I like to protect the hump as much as possible. I got the e-bit, not the e-bit, the drill bit from E-Nail Couture. And I guess you could say the apex is the hump that I'm talking about. So I try to stay away from that, and then I just file down at the tips. On this nail, the tip was kind of thick, so I went in just a little bit. But this is what the nails look like after everything is filed and shaped. And that was the gel polish I was using. And that nail brush, I believe, I want to say it's between E-Nail Couture and Amazon. Because I actually bought two, like I wasn't paying attention. And one was from E-Nail Couture and one from Amazon. So I really just don't know which one is which, to be honest with you. But I was trying so hard. Like, I need my hand to get steady. I want to get into nail art. Like, I don't know if you know, like, who Fly Nye is on Instagram. And, like, I just want to do, like, I don't want to say crazy designs, but, like, designs. And it'd be like, yo, that's dope type stuff. But, yeah, that's basically what I want to do, but I need my hand to get steady. And these lines, it's, ooh, baby, it wasn't too steady, but whatever. So I basically was just deciding where I want the crosses or the stars to be at. And this is the dotting tool that I use for like the circles and for the dots on the nails. And I basically did 2 coats, but I only showed you one. And so I just cured, I think 60 seconds in between. I may even just did a flash cure in between each one, each coat of the cross. And then, I don't even want to call it a cross, but the star, the whatever. I don't even know what they're called. And then I just did the dots, and I what is that thing called? Put it in a UV light. Now I didn't show you this, but on the nails that are like clear, that's like the glass nail effect, make sure when you do your top coat that you top coat the underneath of the nail so like the clear can really shine, because you want it to shine bright like a diamond, shine bright like a diamond. Yo, I wanted to be a singer. You like my singing? Yes. So this is what the nails look like after all the design, and this is the top coat that I'm using. I think it's D&D. I think it's D&D. It's a no white top coat, nothing too special. You can watch me top coat all the nails. Boom, boom, boom. Thank you guys for watching. When I say I really do appreciate you guys, I really do appreciate you guys. I hope you really understand how much I appreciate y'all. I really do. I really, really do. Okay, so you know what? I need you guys' help. I know you're like, Asia, I'm tired of helping you. I know, but I need your help, okay? I want to come up with a uploading schedule. I'm thinking Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Yeah. So you guys tell me, like, would that work for you guys? Is that a good schedule? You want to do like Tuesday, Thursday, Sunday? I don't want to do Sunday. I don't think Sunday's a good day. I don't know. Lay some suggestions down, okay? But I'll see you guys on the next video. Look at these galaxy expired nails. Oh my gosh, you did that. I know, boo. Thank you. I'll see you guys on the next one.